News exclusive information coming across to us that this time the budget formulations are slightly different from the run-of-the-mill budget. Part A normally had whatever was then done in the policy way, which are the big schemes. Ahead of the budget presentation this time, we have this inside scoop that this year's budget presentation will be a very unique one among all the budgets that we have come across in the last 75 years. Earlier budget speeches typically had a lot of detail in Part A, while Part B was only a few announcements on taxation, excise and customs in the earlier days, some GST indications now. But this time, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is expected to speak in great detail in Part B, giving some short-term and long-term goals. Can you give us details, Hina?
Navika, this time the budget's focus is to ensure India becomes Viksit by 2047. And to meet that goal, before that as well, we have certain goals. We want to become the third largest economy by 2030. We are very close to achieving that particular target. But how do we do it given the Trump factor? Because industry has also said, make us Trump-proof. If you want us to invest, if you want us to loosen purse strings, create jobs in the economy, make us Trump-proof. So, the government's task is cut out there. And that's the reason why focus is going to be largely on big bang, bold reforms. That's something that the government is going to be focusing on. Prime Minister himself has said, we are already on Reform Express. Prime Minister has given a clear direction to the industry as well. Pull up your socks, focus on quality, because we have given you the mother of all deals. Now you ensure that you focus
But can
on
we
quality.
actually make our growth story Trump-proof? I want